This is view from our room. Hi, Gills. Oh, let's go and I show you what it's like. Quite big swimming pool. Morning. Lovely spacious rooms. It's not very big resort, but it's absolutely, yeah, lovely one. Right next to the river. This is reception. Over there is a parking space. Little pond with goldfish. There's a second swimming pool. Here's cleaners walking. And we're going to have a breakfast. Little bit smaller pool, but yeah, nice and clean, tidy. Again, some rooms over there. Very green. This is a natural pond with huge, massive goldfish and catfish. Alright, we've got 2 coupons for our breakfast. Savadika. Thank you. Yeah, 2 of us. Thanks. Fantastic rooms, right on the pond. Babies feeding fish. Alright, this one is kitchen, where you're having your breakfast. Right next to the river. A little bit cloudy today. Nice, lovely place. Alright, let's go have a breakfast. And after I show you rest of it. Where is sitting? Okay. Alright, here you can have coffee, tea. Girls will make for you. There's your juices. What we got here? Bean waffles, sauces. There you can make your toast. There's the cereals, jam and this and that. Very small left. We was too late. Sausages, bacon, lovely. Little bit chicken and boiled eggs. There's something like a coconut curry and chicken. You can see. Alright, I will not go further because there's people trying to eat. Serve themselves. Trying to serve myself now. I just asked that girl to make me omelette with ham, tomatoes, onion. Yeah, she cooking for me now. Maybe I will have a little bit, just a few sausages. Yep. What else could I have? No. Just waiting for my Thank you, Kapunka. Lovely girl. Lovely, lovely girl. A little bit tomato ketchup. Eh. Lovely. Thank you. All right. We had our beautiful breakfast, and now naughty me. Step over it. Let's go and show you the rest of it. Speedy boat. Hey! Yeah, they've got quite nice garden. Nice garden, a lot of fish. All of them over there by the kitchen where people feeding them. You can buy fish food. It's like a little pack for five pounds. Wanted to say for £5. Yeah, I think it's quite nice day for going somewhere outside, somewhere, I don't know, maybe to the jungle or mountains. What is this fruit? Lovely ones. Looks lovely. Would taste like, I don't know. Need to find out. Okay. There again, a car park. Oh, look at it. Zi. Run. All right. What is that? Hello to you too. And it's called Good Times Resort. Kanchanaburi. Difficult to say. For me anyway. It's a little fishy. Quite small in here. Hey, naughty. No, can't see them anyway. Alright. Let's go and have another adventure. This your trips you can have. You can have a trip with elephants, go to the temples, waterfalls. This one I wanted to have. I think we will go to this Erawan waterfall and then feeding elephants. I'll love them. Yeah. This will be our further trip.
ไม่ใช่ใช่ไหมไม่ใช่โอเคไม่เป็นไรเดี๋ยวผมมีของพี่ชายนั่นอยู่โอเคไม่เป็นไรครับพี่รับเลยโอเคได้วันที่10โอเคครับพี่กี่โมง
Nice bags, 430 baht.
ครับผมพี่ขอบคุณมาก
More fish over there. Already people in the swimming pool enjoying themselves. All right. And we're just going to jump on a bike and go outside of this place. See what can we see and see what can we show you to see. See you then.